In today's video, we will be exploring the benefits of using ice roller for face. I will cover everything from the basics, how to use it, when to use it and who can use it. Whether you're looking to reduce a puffiness and tighten your skin or add a natural, fresh, glowing complexion, then ice roller is your best friend. So let's get started to learn how to use this wonderful tool in your daily skincare routine. First things first, let's talk about the ice roller. An ice roller is a handheld device. It has two parts. The bottom part we need to fill water in it. When it is full, fix the upper part. The upper part has a hole attached. Through the hole we need to pour the water. When it is full, close that small lid on top. Keep it in the freezer for 4 hours. It is designed to deliver a cooling massage to your face. Now let's see how to use it. Start with a clean face. Move the ice roller in a circular motion on the cheeks for 1 to 2 minutes. Use the same circular motion on the forehead for 1 to 2 minutes. Under the eyes, use slow, gentle strokes to reduce puffiness and dark circles. Finally, roll along your jawline and neck. Always use gentle upward motions. Using an ice roller on your face typically takes about 5 to 10 minutes in total. Aim to spend around 1 to 2 minutes on each area to ensure you're covering your entire face adequately without overdoing it. So, now the main question, when to use the ice roller? You can use the ice roller daily, especially in the morning to reduce puffiness or before bed to relax facial muscles. Use the ice roller in the morning to reduce puffiness, especially around the eyes, and to wake up your skin with a refreshing cooling sensation. Use the ice roller after a workout. Roll the ice roller over your face post-workout to cool down and reduce any redness or inflammation. Use the ice roller before applying makeup to tighten pores and to create a smoother canvas for foundation and other makeup products. This is my favorite time to use, that is after sun exposure. If you have been out in the sun for long hours, an ice roller can soothe the sunburned skin and reduce redness and inflammation. Finally, use it before bedtime to relax and de-stress, which can promote better sleep and overall skin health. So now, who can use this ice roller? Almost anyone can benefit from using an ice roller. It is suitable for all skin types, whether you have oily, dry, combination or sensitive skin. It is suitable for all skin types. If you have acne-prone skin, ice roller reduces redness and inflammation. For those with sensitive skin, it soothes irritation and provides a calming effect. Mature skin can benefit from firming and tightening effects, making your skin look more youthful and radiant. However, there are few cases where you should avoid using ice roller. If you have severe rosacea, eczema or any open wounds, it's best to consult with a dermatologist before using an ice roller. Always listen to your skin and adjust your routine as needed. I hope you find this video useful. I will leave the link of the ice roller in the description box. In Amazon, it is pretty cheap, less than 100 rupees. You can get this ice roller. If you enjoyed watching this video, then do share it with your friends and family so that it will be useful for them too. If you have any doubts regarding this ice roller, then leave the questions in the description box. I love replying to you all. Until then, I will see you in my next video. Take care.